Students, I'm your science teacher. So today we will start our new block. Okay, so this is your content book. Open page number 20. Okay, and what's the name of block 20 is fibers. Okay, so spell with me first fibers. 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 So beta, what are fibers? As we all know, we wear different type of clothes in different season. Like in summers, we wear cotton clothes. Why? Because they absorb the sweat of our body and they make our body cool. Okay? And in winter season, we wear woolen clothes. So, why woolen clothes? Because woolen clothes make us warm. Okay, students? So, these clothes are made up of a fabric. ये जो क्लोथ्स होते हैं कॉटन क्लोथ्स वुलन क्लोथ्स एंड रेनी सीजन क्लोथ्स दे आर मेड अप ऑफ fabric. Okay, so and fabric is made up of fiber. Okay, so see, number 1 we got fiber. Okay, then from fiber fabric is made. Okay, and then from fabric we can make clothes. Okay, you hear from your mama that the fabric of this cloth is very good. So मामा बोलती है ना कई बार कि इस क्लोथ का फैब्रिक तो बहुत ही अच्छा निकला, ये तो लॉन्ग टाइम तक चला. सो दैट इज अ fabric. Means we wear clothes and that clothes are made up of fabric and fabric is made up of fiber. Okay beta, like fiber is a starting step of cloth. Okay, so today we will do our reading. Come to line number 1. Natural and artificial fibers. Beta, natural means we get from nature and artificial means we made own, means not made by us, made by humans in the companies. Okay beta, then fibers are thread that are used. Okay beta, means fibers are threads that are used to make fabric. So students, I am showing you a cotton. What is this? This is a cotton. Okay, so this we get from plant. Like see in this plant, this is a cotton plant and this is cotton. It means this we get from plant. Okay, and fibers are thread that are used to make fabric. So beta, like when I am making a thread with the help of this cotton, this can make, malab this is a fiber. What is it? This is a fiber. Earlier you heard about that Gandhiji is making, yes, cotton cloth with the help of that charkha. Yes, so charkha can convert cotton into long threads and then these threads used in making clothes. Okay beta, so what are fibers? Means fibers are the starting threads, they are used to make fabric. Understood students? Means these long thread which we made from cotton are fibers and then they can finally convert to fabric. Okay, after many process they can convert to a fabric, means cotton fabric. Okay, and that can use for making clothes. Okay, like I am showing you. See, I have a picture, cotton and this is a cotton fabric. Why this is orange in color? Because it can colored after many process. Okay beta, so read with me. Fibers are threads that are used to make fabric. Different fibers are used to make different kinds of fabric. Fabrics are used to make dresses, many other things like bed sheets, bags, tablecloths. Some fibers come from plant. As I show you, cotton. Cotton comes from plant and some come from animals. Cotton and jute are plant fibers. Students, I have this jute bag. See, this is a jute bag and from where we get jute? We get jute from plant. Cotton comes from cotton plant. Jute comes from jute plant. Wool and silk are animal fibers. Wool comes from sheep and silk come from silkworm. All the fibers that come from plants and animals are natural fiber because we get from nature. Okay, so the fibers which we get from nature, either from plant or from animal, they are natural fiber. Then some fibers are made by humans in factories. These are called as artificial or synthetic fibers like nylon, rayon, polyester are the synthetic fibers. Synthetic matlab made by humans in factories. We wear clothes made of different kind of fabrics in different season. Like in summer season we wear cotton clothes and in winter season we wear woolen clothes. Okay students, so you understood about natural and artificial fiber. Natural fibers are those fiber which we get from nature and artificial fiber are those which we get from factories by humans. Okay, so read this page and we will meet in the next class. Bye students, take care.